Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Verdie, a self-taught nail enthusiast and small business owner. On my channel, I do a lot of DIY nail videos, product reviews, hauls, things like that. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of Makartt's Birds of Paradise collection. So I'm going to unbox each item and kind of go over a few details about each item individually. And at the end of the video, well, more towards the middle of the video, I will be doing a set of nails. So the first thing I want to talk about is these press-on nails. I do like how they have the instructions on the box, and I'm showing you how they come packaged. They are plastic wrapped, and what comes in the package are the tabs, the alcohol pad, and a cuticle pusher, a orange wood stick. You also get a 100-180 grit file, and then you get glue as well. So I have pretty wide nail beds, so I'm just showing you how the size 0 will fit you if you have a little bit of a wider nail bed. And these tips are really curved, so if you have flat nail beds like myself, there will be a gap in between the press-on nail and your nail. I will be doing a video to show you how to correct that, what to use to correct that. So definitely, if you're interested in that, please subscribe. So this is their little nail art kit. This is actually called the nail decoration kit. And you can see that some of my glitters have spilt out a little bit. So you will see a messy work area throughout the rest of the video because of the glitter that spilled. So you get some feathers, some paper decals, which are kind of similar to Fimo's, but they're paper. You also get some rhinestones and 8 different glitters. It comes with some nail stickers as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you really quickly what the stickers look like that come in this collection. So this is, again, the nail decoration set. They also have a 6-piece gel polish set, and I'm going to show you the colors after I have swatched them. And their gel polishes are pretty good. They're really pigmented, so you can possibly get away with 1 coat coverage if you go in with a little bit of a thicker coat. But I did 2 coats for the swatches that I'm going to show you. And the colors are Tanger, Macao, Mandarin, Peach Face, Peacock, and the last one is called Toucan. So they're kind of named after birds. And so you get 2 pinks, 2... In person, this is more lavender or lilac than it might be showing up on screen. You get 2 greens, and then the last one is more of a... I think fuchsia would be the pink with the purple tinge to it. I think that would be the right color. So I do like the colors in this set, and it does give me like birds. It does give me like tropical. So definitely will be using these in an upcoming video. The next thing that I'm going to show you is the their Polygel kit. And I've unboxed these a lot, but you might be new to my channel, so I'm going to go through everything that does come in the kit. And with all of Makartt kits, you do get dual forms. So first, that was some more rhinestones and feathers. So you do get dual forms, and usually what they do is they put 2 different types of dual forms in their packaging. So you get one that's a little bit longer and straighter, and then you get one that's shorter and more curved. So just wanted to add that information too. And this kit came with some nail art as well. I did show you the rhinestones and the feathers, and then it comes with some stickers as well. So inside of the actual kit, you do get a 100-180 grit file. You get the picker, which is a brush on one side, and then a picker tool on the other. You get the top and base coat, and you guys, this is one of my favorite top and base coats to use. You also get 4 milliliter tubes, 4 15 milliliter tubes of Polygel, and those colors are Eggshell, Creature, Cockatoo, and Flamingo. So again, the paradise and the bird theme. I'm not sure if there's a bird called Eggshell, but whatever, that's the name of the Polygel. So I have already applied my full coverage nail tips with Eden's Rose rubber base coat. And please, please, please make sure you're subscribed because I will be doing a little bit more in-depth review of that rubber base coat. I've been using it for about a month and I do have a lot of positive things to say. Eden's Rose link is always down in my description box along with my discount code. So the tips that I used were the 123 Go stilettos by Enel Couture, and these were the extra long stilettos. So I did apply those with the base coat, and now with Eden's Rose rubber base coat, and I did etch the surface. So I'm going in again with more base coat, which I don't believe this step is necessary if you've etched the surface of the nails, but I wanted to ensure that my polygel adhered. So I say go in with the base coat even though you've etched the surface of that full coverage nail tip or whatever nail tip you decided to use. So now I'm just going in with the polygel, and I'm using the base coat by Makartt to apply the polygel. I know this isn't the same base coat that came in the kit or the same brush that came in the kit, but they're both by Makartt. I've already had both of these things opened and used, so I don't like to use brand new stuff when I have something exactly the same that's open. So this one, it's just the bottles are a different color and then the brush is a different color than the one that came in the kit, but it's the same brand. So again, I like to use the base coat to apply the polygel. For me, I feel like consistently I have had the best application with the base coat versus alcohol or slip solutions that some kits come with. So right now I am doing a flash cure of the nail because there was a little dip in the nail and I wanted to fill that in. So I am flash curing it. I will go in once I have the nail the way that I want it to fully cure it. The reason I flash cure it is because sometimes when you're adding more product to the polygel, you can kind of mess up what you already have. So just give it a flash cure, fix what you need to fix, and then go in and give it a full cure. Generally, polygel should be cured for 60 seconds. I like to cure my pigmented polygel sometimes a little bit longer just because even if it clicks on top, sometimes that polygel is not fully cured in the middle. So you want to be extremely careful in making sure your products have fully cured all the way. You don't want to run the risk of creating allergies on your skin from wearing an uncured product. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my application on the thumb, and I did a flash cure on the thumb as well because I wanted to fill in some space. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Your application doesn't have to be perfect. I know that I say that a lot. It does not have to be perfect, but you want to make sure that you have enough coverage on the nail that when you go in and file, you're not filing off the color product that you just applied. So you do want to get your application as best as you can, but if it's just something that you're not getting yet, then just make sure you have enough so you can fix everything in filing. I go back and forth. Sometimes my applications are really good, and then sometimes my applications are trash, and that's just part of the process. And when you're going back and forth between different types of products like builder gel, acrylic, and polygel, like I do for the sake of videos, you don't really get enough practice to perfect one thing. So your progress might be slower on certain things if you're not just focusing on one type of product. Again, that would be the acrylic or the builder gel or the polygel. So cut yourself some slack. Always, guys, don't be so hard on yourself and just give it time, and honestly, just be patient with yourself. So on these three nails, I'm going to be doing an ombre. So it's funny that the hand, my right hand that I did off camera, my ombre came out really, really good. But on this hand that I'm filming, it looks a mess. I'm not really too concerned with perfection on this because I am going over top these nails with glitter, so my ombre does not have to be perfect. So you will see the ombre is not perfect, and it might the lines might look a little bit sharp. But the way that I do it is I just place the polygel and kind of thin it out where I want the ombres the colors to meet, and then I flash cure it. Again, I'm only flash curing for about 15-20 seconds. but you always have to go in and fully cure your nails. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do the ombre, and I will be back to talk once I start applying the glitter. Okay, this is just a clip of me doing glitter. I didn't think you guys wanted to see me do glitter on all nails. I actually did the pinky nail. I didn't like it, and I ended up filing off the glitter. But I'm just going in with two of the glitters that came from the nail decoration kit. And they did have some stars in there and some hearts. For me, I don't like shape glitter. Like, I don't like... I'm weird, you guys. I'm plain. You guys know this if you've been watching my videos. So this design is kind of a stretch for me to wear on myself personally. I did wear it for a couple of days. I did get a lot of compliments on it. But for me, I do like more of a plain nail. But I'm going to go in and encapsulate the glitter. What I'm using is some... I call it builder gel in a bottle. Makartt calls it nail extension gel, but it's literally a builder gel. And I do like the applicator tube, so I'm not showing you all the hands. I'm just showing you one. And this is how everything looks after filing. So I'm going to go ahead and do my top coat of the nails now. I know people love watching nails get top coated, especially nails with glitter. So... overall, I do like how this set came out. I am a little bit more plain, so this was a lot for me. But like I said, I did get compliments on it, and I did take it off. But I did only keep it on for a few days. So let me know what you guys think of this set down below. On the pinky nail, I was doing the top coat, and then I decided to take it off. I'm just going to add some embellishment. So I'm adding the feathers that came in the polygel kit and the nail decoration kit, and I'm also adding some of the rhinestones that came with it. Just adding stuff, trying to figure out how I like it, and moving stuff around. I didn't have like a design template to go with, so I was just throwing stuff on that nail. But I do like how it came out. I really do like how this set came out. One of the things I want to caution you guys about is using the full coverage nail tips, and they are curved, and then using the polygel and then putting the builder gel on top of that, it was kind of a struggle to not make the nails look too bulky. I think I did a good job with them not looking extremely bulky, but I would have liked these to be a little bit thinner. So when you're adding so many layers, definitely be careful with that. So this is how the nails turned out. And I am going to do a top coat over that gold embellishment so that it doesn't tarnish. If you're still washing your hands about 50 times a day, you know that it's not real gold, so it'll probably tarnish within a day. So everyone has a different opinion about the top coat on the rhinestones. Definitely do what works best for you. So again, these are the nails, how they turned out after they are all top coated. I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil, and you guys do need to be taking care of your cuticles and the skin that is behind your nails, because that skin will start to grow and it does become painful. I'm kind of guilty of not taking good care of that skin, which is why I have extended hyponychiums. So I've been applying my cuticle oil twice a day, and that skin back there is getting better. So I do sell cuticle oils. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that. Check out my website if you are interested in checking out some of my oils. I do have sample sizes available, so you can check out some of the scents without committing to a big bottle. And my website link is down below. I do appreciate you guys spending your time with me. Let me know what you guys think of the video down below. Let me know what you guys are doing to take care of your hands with all this hand washing still going on. Definitely would be interested to know that. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I will leave the Makartt information in the description box below, and I will see you guys back soon for another video.